So once you purchase your hosting and domain, you'll be led to this page. And just note that all your login information will be sent to the email that you registered with. Now what you want to do from here is you want to go to hosting. And when you get on hosting, you will see this page. And then what you want to do is go down here and click this button that says Get Started with WordPress Today. Now this should lead you to this page right here. And all you have to do is simply click the down arrow, click on your domain that you're utilizing. So here I have this one. Click Next. Simply fill out this information. So I will fill this information out real quick and I'll get back with you guys in just a second. So once you guys fill that out, it should tell you that your installation is complete and it should give you guys your username and password here. Now just click log in, and don't worry if you forgot to save your username and password on the previous page. All of that information is sent to your email so you guys can check that out to get all your information. Now I'm just going to type in my username and password and just click log in. So here we are on WordPress's dashboard now. So I'll see you guys in the next video.